Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about one important feature of your Alexa device, right? If in case you're using any Alexa device and you want to pair your phone Bluetooth with Alexa, then you might be in trouble and you might not be able to find a feature or way to connect to Alexa using your mobile's Bluetooth or maybe even your laptop's Bluetooth or maybe any other Bluetooth. Alexa can be used as an output device or as a speaker for your mobile phone or for your TV, maybe, or for your any electronic device which has a Bluetooth connectivity and an audio output. So, how we are going to do this? We are going to do this in two ways. But first, let's understand what you do not need to do, which you might be doing and you were not able to identify a way to connect to Alexa device. So for example, over here we have an Android phone. It can be your iPhone as well. When we click on our Bluetooth device and we look for the available devices, it won't show me any Alexa device, and that is a big trouble for you. And you might be looking for how you can connect to your Alexa device very simply. So now what we have to do, let's get into it. If in case you're new to my channel, just subscribe it. We are going to discuss two ways to do it. So be patient and look for both the ways. So the very first way, which is a bit of annoying for some people, but it's again useful for couple of people. So in the very first way, what you need to do is you need to go to a Play Store, download an app which you might already have as well, which is Amazon Alexa. Just open it and log in into this particular application. I'm not showing how to log in, which is very much basic. So just log in into Alexa account, but just make sure you are logging in to the same account where this Alexa is also set up. So once you have done that and you go into devices, you look for your devices over here and you will be able to find the Echo Dot, Alexa device or any other device whichever you are trying to pair will appear here. If in case it's not appearing here, just click on this plus icon, click add device and then click Amazon Echo. Once you have done this, you would be able to find the variants of Amazon Echo. For example, I just click this, I will click continue, and this way you would be able to set up your new device. Now let's talk about once you have added it, once your setup is done on your Amazon, what you have to do? You have to click on your the device. For example, over here we can see Rohit's Echo Dot. We clicked it. We can see there are a couple of things like drop in, do not disturb, and many other things. Now, within which, what we have to do is we can see there are Bluetooth connections option also available. And you can also see connected device. If in case your Alexa is not paired with any of the device, then it won't appear here. Now, currently, what you have to do is to connect to your Amazon Alexa as a output device or as a speaker, you just need to click connect to a device. Once you do this, the Alexa will go into pairing mode and it will start searching for devices. And this is one of the way to look for or pair for Amazon Alexa. But again, this way is also sometimes cause some bugs and you might not be able to find your Amazon Echo Dot or any of the Amazon Alexa devices. So what is the second way to do it and which is more easier way to do to connect to your Alexa device as a speaker? So what you have to do is you need to ask this device to go into pairing mode. So I will ask it, Alexa, go in pairing mode. Now she has started searching. Now click over here. Now as you can see, it's showing over here echo.kvq. Now just click it. It will ask for pairing, and now we are done. As you can see, it's showing in use now, and it's paired with Amazon speaker. So, do you like this way to connect to your Amazon Alexa device or to use your Amazon Alexa device as a speaker to your phone? If you liked it, just don't forget to subscribe it and also like this video. We'll come back with some new key features of Alexa later on as well. Thank you.
Okay.